Picture window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. With a variety of custom window designs available, residents can select the perfect style to complement their home's architecture. Energy-efficient windows Knoxville are designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort, making them a smart investment for any property. Picture windows Knoxville offer expansive views while maintaining optimal insulation, ensuring energy savings for Knoxville homeowners. Window frame replacement Knoxville is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Over time, frames can become worn or damaged, leading to drafts and decreased energy efficiency. By opting for window frame replacement, homeowners can ensure their windows remain functional and attractive, including picture windows Knoxville that provide both beauty and energy efficiency. Double-pane windows Knoxville offer superior insulation compared to single-pane options, making them an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows help reduce heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Insulated glass units Knoxville further enhance this effect, providing additional layers of protection against temperature fluctuations, and picture windows Knoxville can add an elegant touch to any room. Custom window designs. Knoxville allow homeowners to express their personal style while ensuring their windows meet specific functional needs. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or materials, custom window designs can be tailored to fit any requirement. Window style options Knoxville provide a wide range of choices, from traditional to contemporary, ensuring there's something for every taste, including picture windows Knoxville that offer unobstructed views and natural light. Window glass installation Knoxville is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and performance of your windows. Cracks, chips, or fogging can compromise the effectiveness of your windows, leading to increased energy costs and decreased curb appeal. Professional window glass installation can restore your windows to their original condition, ensuring they continue to perform optimally, including for picture windows Knoxville. Home window upgrades Knoxville are an excellent way to increase the value and comfort of your property. By investing in modern, energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enjoy reduced energy bills and improved indoor air quality. Window seal replacement Knoxville is a key component of this process, as it helps prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Upgrading to picture windows Knoxville can also enhance your home's design and functionality. Window hardware replacement Knoxville is often necessary to ensure the smooth operation of your windows. Over time, hardware can become worn or damaged, leading to difficulty opening or closing windows. By replacing outdated or broken hardware, homeowners can extend the lifespan of their windows and improve their functionality, including for picture windows Knoxville that provide a large, clear view of the outdoors. Window screen installation Knoxville is a practical solution for keeping insects and debris out of your home while allowing fresh air to circulate. High-quality window screens are durable and easy to maintain, providing a long-lasting barrier against unwanted pests. Window weatherproofing Knoxville further enhances this protection, ensuring your home remains comfortable and secure in all weather conditions, especially with the large panes of picture windows Knoxville. Window maintenance services Knoxville are essential for preserving the appearance and performance of your windows. Regular cleaning, inspection, and installation can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems, saving homeowners time and money in the long run. Window sash replacement. Knoxville is one such service that can restore the functionality and appearance of older windows, including picture windows Knoxville. For those seeking picture window installation in Knoxville, our team of window installation experts is ready to assist. We specialize in energy-efficient windows and custom window designs, ensuring your home not only looks great but also saves on energy costs. Our residential window services in Knoxville include everything from window frame replacement to window glass installation, providing comprehensive solutions for all your window needs, including picture windows Knoxville. Upgrade your home with double-pane windows Knoxville residents trust for superior insulation and noise reduction. Our insulated glass units and window seal replacement services ensure your windows are performing at their best. With our window style options and window hardware replacement, you can customize your windows to match your home's aesthetic while enhancing functionality, including with Picture Windows Knoxville. Our window maintenance services in Knoxville include window screen installation and window weatherproofing to protect your home from the elements. We offer window sash replacement and window caulking services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. For those dealing with window condensation, our window condensation solutions are designed to keep your windows clear and functional, even with large Picture Windows Knoxville. Enhance your home's security with our window security features and window tinting options in Knoxville. Our window noise reduction solutions ensure a peaceful indoor environment, while our window measurement services guarantee a perfect fit for every installation, including for large Picture Windows Knoxville that allow for unobstructed views. Experience the benefits of window energy savings with our energy-efficient windows Knoxville homeowners rely on. Our window experts in Knoxville provide detailed window consultation services to help you make informed decisions. Whether you need window caulking Knoxville services or window sash replacement Knoxville solutions, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results, particularly for Picture Windows Knoxville. For custom window designs Knoxville residents love, our team offers a wide range of window style options and window hardware replacement services. Our window glass installation Knoxville services ensure your windows are always in top condition. With our home window upgrades Knoxville solutions, you can enhance both the appearance and performance of your windows, including with Picture Windows Knoxville that let in plenty of natural light. Our window installation Knoxville services include everything from window screen installation to window weatherproofing Knoxville solutions. We provide window maintenance Knoxville services to keep your windows in optimal condition year-round. For those interested in window tinting Knoxville options, we offer a variety of choices to suit your needs, ensuring your Picture Windows Knoxville remain energy efficient. Choose our window experts Knoxville for all your residential window services Knoxville needs. Our window measurement Knoxville services ensure precise installations, while our window consultation Knoxville services provide personalized guidance. With our window energy savings Knoxville solutions, you can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable home environment, especially with Picture Windows Knoxville enhancing your home's appearance and functionality.